it's a yummy. Today I'm going to make wobbly, fluffy omelette. Let's do it. So first I'm gonna mince onions. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Anyway, I'm making some tomato sauce. I forgot to tell you what I was making first. Oh. Well done, well done. And put in a pan. Okay. Next, mince garlic. Right there. Okay. Then add olive oil. And then stir them. After onion and garlic is done, add ketchup. Warm. Also, tonkatsu sauce or Worcestershire sauce. Warm. Then mix well. And taste. Thumbs up. It's done for the sauce. So next I'm going to make the main dish, egg. And then for white, I'm going to add black pepper and a little bit of salt. Hand mixer. Done. Whipped really well. Good job, my hand. Okay, so next is add a little bit of sugar and then mix well. Then egg yolk. Add it to white. Mix gently like this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so now time to bake omelette. Put the butter on the pan, warm it up in medium to low heat. Butter, butter, butter. After all of the butter melted, add the egg. Hi. Okay, looks so good. Super fluffy. Then cover this with a lid. Hop. And maybe after 1 minute later, can you see the bubble on the surface? It's done. So I'm going to wobbly wobbly woo. Done. Boing boing boom 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 boom. Boing 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 boing. And then add some tomato sauce that I made. Kanse. Okay, so I'm going to taste. Woo! いただきます。まずいにゃま。わあ、おいしい。This is delicious. Thank thank you for watching. If you like my wobbly egg, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.